open up the little ship, the boat they're going underneath. Yeah? The Tower Bridge. Okay. The boat there for wait. Soon see it lock back down now. I overlook the building. Alright, see this? I lock back down now. See it, I lock back down now. That's a road, you know. Yeah. I take time to lock back down. It open. See that boat they go through. And them whole pirate boat there. You see it there? The road a lock back down now. Soon as the vehicle start to run upon that. You see there? Lock right, you know. Yeah. Lock down. See there? See that one there for wait there, so now the boat there for wait till the bridge close. See there? Till I start moving up, the bridge lock. As soon as the car start drive on it now. Boat there turn. Where that turn out to? Couple of boats that come on the bridge now. And I had a little boat there when you pay for go up and for drive up and down upon the Thames, the River Thames. I didn't let them carry them on the bridge yet. See police boat there. And look how right one there, the police boat that. Up patrol the Thames. And the water police. Yeah. So show the bridge open up and lock back so the boat them go underneath. See shot there. That's the Hilton Hotel, a building the Hilton. So that's a Tower Bridge. That's how we land that castle. I see castle there right there, so. Yeah. Alright, see now vehicle start run back on the bridge. Bicycle light there to do it. So it's the car now. I have to make the bicycle and go first, huh? Go bicycle. Mad. Alright. Yeah. The truck they gone on the bridge now. Yeah. Alright. So that was just a sneak peek of when the Tower Bridge opened up. And when it opened up and when it locked down. Alright. Peace out.